This is ABC 7 News at 10, Chicago's #1 news. How far would you go to look younger? ABC 7 uncovers a trendy new treatment inspired by vampires. Why it's safer, cheaper, and less painful than a facelift. Coming up.
Also, the cosmetic treatment involving injections of a client's own blood. We'll show you before and after photos to see how well it works.
Are you thirsty for a younger, fresher look? Vampires in their eternal youth may hold the key. ABC 7 Health Beat reporter Sylvia Perez here with the latest approach to smoothing out the wrinkles. Sylvia?
Ron and Kathy, we're talking about cosmetic treatments called vampire fillers or vampire lifts. And while a little of your blood is sucked out, you get a part of it back, along with what some doctors swear is a more natural, longer-lasting, youthful appearance. Vampires today are sexy, immortal, and hot sellers, and now cosmetic doctors are sinking their teeth into the craze, offering patients a newer way to rejuvenate their skin using their own blood.
It improves fine wrinkles. Pore size is greatly reduced. The skin texture is lustrous.
This is what's been trademarked as the vampire facelift. Although it's far from a true facelift, there is no surgical cutting. Your own blood is drawn and then re-injected back into your face to promote skin rejuvenation. Patient Marianne Fontana likes the idea of something more natural and less invasive.
Just a little bit, so I don't have like these little pockets right here.
It's a procedure technically known as PRP, or platelet-rich plasma therapy. The technology isn't new. PRP has been used in orthopedic surgery to help healing for years. But now it's gaining ground with facial plastic surgeons. Dr. Adam Cohen is one of them.
Having your own serum or your own product to rejuvenate yourself is something you can't beat.
He says the gradual results include better skin volume, tone, and texture. Here's how it works. A vial of the patient's blood is drawn and then spun to separate out the plasma rich with platelets. Those platelets are mixed with a calcium product for stability and then re-injected into the face. In theory, the platelets will stimulate collagen to help skin look smoother and younger. There's a vampire facial where the PRP is applied topically. And for a more dramatic change, PRP is used in conjunction with dermal fillers for longer lasting results.
The vampire lift gives about year and a half of longevity, whereas a filler alone about 6 to 8 months.
Dr. Tat Kim has been doing PRP injections for years. He offers these before and after pictures as examples the approach works. But not everyone is sold on it. Skeptics say it's more hype than real science, and that there are no long-term studies to prove it adds any significant benefit.
I could tell that I'm smoother, fuller. I look a little bit more youthful.
It's been about 3 weeks, and here is Fontana's before and after. She got the PRP along with a dermal filler and is happy with what she's seeing so far. And the biggest plus, they say, is that a filler alone will last only about 6 months, but used with PRP, the effects are longer lasting, up to a year and a half, and possibly even longer. Again, critics say there is no clinical proof to these claims. The cost for PRP procedures can begin about $700 and then go higher depending on how it is used.
But it's popular already.
Yeah, there's always an option to try to look for an alternative way to get that youth, right?
Always something. Okay, thanks, Sylvia.